back. I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. So, as you can see from the description down below, I finally have, third week into July, my June 2019 GlobeIn VIP order right here. So, GlobeIn is a wonderful subscription. I'm sure you guys have seen my unboxings and my add-on unboxings. After the add-on period, they have a VIP sale where you can go in and get things that are discounted. And for some reason, my June order just didn't process. I finally emailed them and the lady wrote me back super quick. She was like, "I'm so sorry. I will get it right out." And I mean, that was like 4 days ago and I've got it. So their customer service, that was the first time I've actually had to deal with their customer service. Customer service is fantastic. If you would like to sign up for GlobeIn, I will leave a link down below that will get you your first box for only $10. So I will make sure to, at the end of the video, put one or two of my unboxings so you guys can see what GlobeIn is if you have not already. But let's get in here and take a look at what I got for the VIP sale. I'll be honest, most of this is for my dad, and I did tell him his Father's Day gift was going to be a little late, so I didn't know it was going to be this late. But they had some really funky things that I really thought he would like, so let's open her up. And then we just have like a packing slip. And they package everything so well. Like, I mean, they make sure your stuff is going to arrive so safe. Alright, so my dad loves weird, or at least to me, weird, funky flavors of things, and he is all about trying new things and looking up new recipes and cooking with different spices and doing all kinds of fun stuff. Some stuff has been great, some stuff I'm like, whoa, Dad, no. But anyway, they had some items that I thought he would enjoy, so I picked them up. One was this right here, and I actually got two of them for him. And it's millet and brown rice ramen red miso soup. It's gluten-free, it's whole grain. I'll show you one so you can kind of see. So I really think he will love this. Just says to place 2 cups of water in a pot, bring to a boil, add ramen and soup packet, and simmer gently for 4 minutes. So it says, Lotus Foods brings you millet and brown rice ramen, traditional Japanese-style noodles made from our specialty rice instead of wheat. Add the savory red miso broth to our quick cook millet and brown rice ramen for a convenient bowl of flavorful and nourishing noodle soup. And it says, for a complete meal, add your favorite veggies and protein. So I think he will definitely really like both of these. So I got those. Then I got him, they had a buckwheat shiitake rice ramen mushroom soup made with organic rice, again gluten-free, so kind of the same thing, just a different flavor. The shiitake I know he'll love. So basically it's just really fancy ramen noodles. So there's that, and then one of my very first GlobeIn, my very first, not one of, my very first GlobeIn unboxing, I had gotten a box that came with like a wine glass and some really cool colored pencils and stuff, but it came with this really cute owl, like hand-carved wooden eyeglass holder. And obviously I wear glasses. I just take them off for filming because there's a glare. Well, I think that I just think it's so cute and it's so convenient because you always know where your glasses are. So I got this one from my dad with the cute little mustache. So he'll be able to put his glasses right there. He can put this either on his nightstand or, you know, the end table in the living room or something, and always know where his glasses are. But I just thought it was super cute and something different, and I thought he would like it. So I hope he does. And then we got this definitely melted because it's not wanting to move in the heat. Now, okay, I'll show you this one. These actually are for me. These two are for me. Dark chocolate Java drops. Vienna roasted, shade grown Peruvian and Mexican coffees centrally surrounded by pure dark chocolate. Whoop. Yum. So they had two, or I got two. This one, like I said, definitely kind of melted in transit, but it's organic. And that's one thing. All of the things, again, with GlobeIn are always fair trade, which I love. So I got a yummy little treat. So one night this weekend, I will be giving one of these guys a try. Like, I mean, are you supposed to do something with it or do you just eat it? Now that I'm thinking about it. Okay, so it says 5 pieces. All right. So USDA organic, it's kosher, GMO free, fair trade, all of that. So yay. And then this just looked really, really good. This is a rare snacking treat, a hearty whole grain snack made with heirloom brown and black rice, sweet and savory Thai, a rare rice crackers. So there's that. It says reinventing a beloved Japanese snack. It says it includes whole grain brown and black rice sourced from small family farms growing more rice with less water. They're baked, not fried. We season them with zesty flavors and traditionally brewed gluten-free tamari, and we never include artificial flavors or preservatives. So do the rice thing. Enjoy them straight out of the bag as part of your favorite trail mix or with fruits and nuts, and know that while you're snacking, you're promoting women and climate-friendly farming. And this is a vegan snack. Oh, and it's not a rare, it's a rare rice. Tells me here on the back. So, I don't know. I just thought this, you know, again, interesting. Wanted to try something different. So, got that. And then the final item here, I am definitely going to need my box cutter for. Because like I said, they package everything so well. Have I lost my box cutter? Where? Nope, there it is. This have you guys ever, you know, gone to sit down and have, you know, a meal or even a snack or something? Like, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, head on over and follow me if you would. It's Southern Mom 521. I have been obsessed. My mom has a garden and she is growing the mess out of some fresh cucumbers, tomatoes, squash, onions, jalapenos, zucchini, potatoes, all kinds of stuff. But the cucumbers. Christopher and I are eating cucumbers left and right. Like, we are just loving them. They're so yummy. And every now and then, I sometimes put just salt and pepper. Sometimes I may do salt and pepper and then want to dip them in ranch, or, you know, just any type of snack thing like that, you know, you may want to dip something in, but you don't want to put it on your plate. Well, I saw this, I thought it was cute. I was like, ooh, I need one. So it was a lot of information to just show you a product, but it'll make sense. It is this gorgeous handmade in Tunisia ceramic. How beautiful. little sauce dish. Is that not cute? I thought it was so pretty, and it's perfect to put ketchup or like ranch dressing or whatever kind of little sauce you may need, barbecue sauce to dip something. I think it's perfect. I probably should have gotten more than one, but oh well. So that is everything I got on my VIP sale for June 2019. Now I have obviously still my July 2019 GlobeIn box, GlobeIn add-on, and VIP coming. So be on the lookout for those because y'all, I went a little overboard. I'll be honest. But I got some awesome stuff. I even started Christmas shopping. But so to recap, the VIP add-ons for June, I got this cute handmade ceramic sauce dish, the Harare crackers, the 2 packs of these dark chocolate Java drops, which I may end up giving one of those to my dad because he does like stuff like that. And then I got him the 2 packs of the millet and brown rice red miso soup ramen, the buckwheat shiitake rice ramen mushroom soup, and then of course this hand-carved wooden little mustache dude. It's like a nose glasses holder, which is like his main gift. So let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for GlobeIn and get your first box for only $10. And y'all, the themes are so cute. Like I said, here at the end, I will make sure to put here a couple of my unboxings so you guys can see if you have not already. So I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you have not already. Let me know your thoughts down below. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will talk with you on the next one. Bye!